This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss why trust is everything in motoring and why at ChangeCars it's all about being there for the client. Catch You Ask, We Answer. Selling advice. Should you keep or sell that 12-year-old Daihatsu Terios? The offers are fair, but in reality, the car is providing 3 times the trade-in value. In this episode of All Things Motoring, we experience the SuperBoss Owners Track Day, reliving the golden era of SA racing. Rising repair costs for older cars. Cherry Tiggo Cross HEV, 10 fast facts. Opel unveils the next generation Grandland. Jeep Compass 4xe, redefining adventure with exclusive new interior and trail-rated power. New special version of the Ferrari 296 GTB unveiled. If you're looking to buy a Ferrari, visit changecars.co.za. All Things Motoring is proud to be the official sponsor of Cars in the Park 2025, to be held at Swartkops Raceway in Pretoria on Sunday, 3rd of August 2025. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by ChangeCars. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, ChangeCars has you covered.